So hey guys, Kiran from Tech Gadget now. So LG today is launching a W series smartphone through Amazon. It's an Amazon exclusive and you can get it through Amazon only. So LG is entering the competitive smartphone market to compete with Xiaomi, Realme and Samsung. So the series is called a W series. It's known as Win series as well. So let me tell you the specifications of the LG Win series that you're expecting today. So LG Win series comes with triple camera AI setup and it is having a single front camera with dedicated night mode, and there are three lenses at the back. One is wide angle, one is low light and another is for portrait mode. So it is expected to come in three colors, that is green, black and blue. So there will be a shimmering variant as well. So another feature is you can customize a notch. So as we know, latest phones are coming with notches. So it's a single camera notch, so it won't be much intrusive to a screen. You can customize the color of the lighting on the notch as per the apps, and that is a great feature to have. Talk about performance, it is having Helio P30 or Snapdragon 439 with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. This is a configuration of LG W10. There is another variant called LG W30. So it will be unveiled while the event is happening. So I will be covering that, and if you want to know about that, please subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe button below. I will be providing the links of the LG W10, the links in the description below, so you can go on Amazon and check it. The price range in which the W series is being launched is 10 to 15,000 rupees, which is in the competitive market, and it is expected to compete with Xiaomi's, Redmi's and Realme's. So it's a great price range, and it is good to know that LG is entering this market as well. So I'll be telling you more in detail in my future videos, so please stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and bye bye now.